Hi everybody, this is Troy Rosasco from Turley, Redmond, Rosasco, and Rosasco. We're New York disability lawyers. I want to talk to you a little bit about what we do when you come in for your first Social Security disability appointment with my office. Well, if you come in, we usually have told you before you come in to bring certain paperwork with you. We want to know who are you treating with. We want the names, addresses, and phone numbers of all your doctors. We want to know what medications you're taking. Many times we'll ask you to please go to your local pharmacy and get a printout of your medications. You may not know which ones are actually important to your claim, so I want to know them all. We'll also need a record of your birth. Social Security requires an original birth or baptismal certificate. Sometimes there are some other documents that we might want to see. You may have other medical records, operative reports. Leave it at that. Okay, so you come into our office, you bring the records we request. What's the first thing we do? Well, we sit in a conference room just like this. And the first thing I do is I listen to you. I listen to you. It's as simple as that. You know, there are too many lawyers who like to speak over their clients. Too many lawyers who like to hear themselves speak. That's not the mark of a good lawyer. The mark of a good lawyer and someone who's going to be able to represent you correctly is someone who takes the time, and it takes time, to listen to you first. I let you tell your story to me because guess what? In all likelihood, the first time you're going to get turned down by Social Security. And after you get turned down, we will appeal in front of an administrative law judge. And you will have a hearing in front of that judge. And guess what? That's your day to tell your story. So I want to hear your story up front so that I know how your story is going to be told to the administrative law judge. And then if there are things that we need to emphasize in your story, then we'll talk about that. If there are things we need to de-emphasize that are not relevant to your story to win your case, we'll de-emphasize them. But that's the most important thing I do. Filling out the forms is secondary. I mean, obviously we know what to say in all the right places and we know what to put down on the forms. You may not know that. And that might be one of the things that made you come to our office initially. You didn't know what to write. You were worried that you didn't know exactly what to say and that it might hurt you. Don't worry, we'll take care of that. You worry about your health, we'll take care of the forms, and most important, we'll listen to you to get to know you, the individual, because we have to prepare you, the individual, to go in front of an administrative law judge in all likelihood to win your claim. So why am I telling you this? If you have questions, I want you to call me at 1-877-NYDB-LAW. I'd be glad to answer any questions you have. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.